This video is for educational and informational purposes only. This is not a call to action. Hello friend! Today I'll walk you through how a 70-year-old high school student is making around $7,000 per day by launching and flipping meme coins on Solana, using my own live trading example. A new, so to speak, golden method of launching a meme coin has appeared, which can give you token-free promotion even without any marketing budget. And no, this isn't just hype. I'll show you live trading in this video. Right now, this method is very profitable. I don't know how long it will continue to work, but it's working right now. And meme coin traders are buying these kinds of tokens like hotcakes. The crypto and meme coin stand is heating up again. And as usual, new money making strategies are emerging, one of which I'll show you today. Okay, first we need this site. I will leave a link to this site in the video description. When launching a token on services like this, the token will automatically appear on services like DEX screener, Axiom, and so on. Well, first I go to the DEX screener. Choose any good token that is popular now. This need to have more buyers and good trading with our meme coin. Okay, I found the token, just a random popular token. Now I click create token. I copied the picture, name and symbol. Now I will launch 1 billion tokens. But the quantity does not matter. Now I enter any description. It can be funny or more informative. And now the most important thing, a new function. We will replace information about the token creator. More precisely, we will specify someone big wallet with Solana. Yes, this is a new function. We can replace the information about the token creator. This information will be replaced in the smart contract metadata. But don't worry, you will be the real owner. Look at the service. It shows information about newly launched meme coins and their creators' wallet. There are dozens of similar tools, and hundreds of thousands of traders and sniper bots are monitoring them constantly. Well, find a wallet with a lot of Solana and then launch a token with low liquidity, like just one Solana. That will get our token listed on all post-same platforms instantly. Buyers will see it, and at the same time the creator's wallet will appear, showing that it has a large balance of Solana. When traders see a low liquidity launch combined with a wallet that holds a lot of Solana, they assume the creator intentionally added low liquidity, so that certain people or influencers can buy early at cheap prices. They expect that creator will later inject large liquidity, and the coin will fly to the moon. And yes, sometimes creators really do this, which is why traders and bots actively look for these types of tokens. Today, we'll make it look like our token is exactly one of those. Well, I found a wallet that has a lot of Solana. I copied the wallet address and pass it here. I choose all of this because it increases the credibility. Okay, for the token to appear everywhere, including DEX screener, we need to create a liquidity pool. This can be done, for example, on pump.fun. This is a new function on pump.fun or on raydium, or directly on this service. Turning on this option. Specify how much Solana and your token supply you want to add to the liquidity. Don't worry, liquidity can always be withdrawn back. This is exactly what we will do. We withdraw liquidity back after our traders buy our token. I will add liquidity on this side. I have already launched many tokens here. Look, I open a liquidity pool page. All my tokens are profitable. I launched all my meme coins using this new method. Okay, I will add 3 Solana to the liquidity pool, but you can add less, for example 1 Solana, but I have already launched many tokens using this method, and the biggest profit is when the liquidity is about 3 Solana. But with 1 Solana, it is also good. Okay, now I text how many tokens I will add to the liquidity pool. I recommend adding 90% of the total supply. For example, if 1 billion tokens are launched, then we add 900 million. Okay, now I choose a 2% fee, and that's it. Now I post my wallet address here. Tokens will be sent to this address, and this address will be the real owner. Now I click launch token and I see a payment window. I need to send Solana to this address. This is liquidity pool and the fee for creating a token. Okay, I made transaction. Now I click check transaction. And boom, I see my meme coin address. Now I click to the address and Sol scan opens. I copy my meme coin address. Now I copy the token address. Then go to the text screener and select any token. Now we need to replace the token address with our token. Okay, good. We see our token on DEX screener. We need to wait a few minutes for real people to start buying. Note DEX screener displays liquidity amount twice as much as real. This is because it also takes into account our token, which now has a price. Okay, I see the first purchase trading is live. Now I just sit back and watch as people start buying and trading the token. Meme coins on Solana are trending again, and that means more and more golden launch methods like this will keep appearing. In every bull run, quick and easy money strategies show up, but they don't last long. So if you find a method that works, use it fast. Alright, let's forward the video and see what happens in 15 minutes. Bro, look, this is crazy. Great trading, active buyers. If I remove liquidity right now, I'll get about 10 Solana. That's a really good result. Let's open the liquidity pool page and check my real-time profit. To withdraw from liquidity pool, just click remove liquidity, set it to 100% and confirm. All the coins will return to my wallet and the meme coin will be racked. And on this platform, you don't even need to sign transactions manually. The smart contract handles everything for you. But don't worry, you're still the actual owner of the token. Okay, I'm clicking remove and that's it. Liquidity is gone and the token is racked. We can now see the result clearly on DEX screener. 10 Solana is a strong result. Most meme coins launched this way give around the same. So yes, this method currently works. Now you've seen how easy it is for some traders to run a rug pull successfully using this tactic. This video was made to educate you and keep you safe, so you don't fall for tricks like this. Thanks for watching. See you next time.